Hey, good morning, guys. This is Joey at Truck Market. I'm going to bring to you today a 2014 Pete 389 glider kit. It's got a 6N Z-Cat, 18-speed, 411,000 actual miles. I've gotten it hot this morning. I'm going to do a full walk around showing blow-by oil pressure at operating temperature. Let's get started. Temps up, your lower side oil pressure is fantastic. You're right at 35. And gets up over 60 pretty easy, 70, 65. So does have a platinum interior, full cabinets in the back. Leather seats, leather on the door panels there. Exactly what you want to see. New steer tires. Like they've painted that fender at one time. It's not got any cracks or anything in it, but if you want it to be spot on, you could reshoot that one. Maybe even paint this one, outlaw it, paint the fender silver. That'd be cool. Or pick a color. Four straps, four horns. You don't get a whole lot better. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, you need anything else, give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks.